Alright guys, welcome back. So we are here again in the Excalibur. This is where I am staying again this time, and Mom's staying here as well. The room was actually free, and her room was free through my MGM comp rewards. So that's the reason for staying at the Excalibur again. This time they gave me a little bit better of a view than the last time. I mean, last time was no K-strip view, but this time it's a little bit better. And we'll always save the best for last when it comes to that. I'll do a quick time lapse. This time I'm gonna do a day and night time lapse. Last time I only did a night one, but in here, this is the bathroom. Very, very standard in your Las Vegas hotel room. So this is what you could expect to see when you come to Las Vegas. I mean, nothing too fancy, nothing spectacular. Old kind of a shower there, you know, nothing unique, but like I said, this is kind of more of like a budget hotel type stay. It's nothing like you know, staying at the Venetian, staying at the Palazzo, anything like that. Obviously you're gonna find much better stuff with the more money you pay for each one. But anyways, that's the bathroom. Kind of small, kind of typical. They actually have a hairdryer in there. They give you some warnings, you know, unplug it, remove this tag, warn children, risk of death by electric shock. I think we all got that one understood by now. Adjoining room, they actually were able to hook us up. That's Mom's adjoining room right there. So they gave her a king tower room strip view. Same with me. Mom's chilling here, waiting for me to get done with this so we can go off on her next epic adventure. She's supporting the channel by wearing some of the merch that will be available in the link on the top right hand side. Just your basic closet. I mean, nothing too fancy here, just an ironing board, you know, closet and shit. So basic end tables, lights. The plugins though, I'd have to say these things are really, really, really shitty. I plugged my iPhone into there last night and it was charging when I first went to bed, but when I woke up, instead of having a fully charged phone, it was absolutely dead. So I don't know, the connection is like really loose, like it doesn't even seem to plug in, it just kind of slides in there. It's not really that tight, so maybe they need to switch those out because they just get overused. Other downfall about this room, there's one outlet here and literally like one outlet over by the computer, which I'll show you here in a second. So there's not too many electrical outlets to put a bunch of charging stuff. Now me, I have a lot of camera gear and stuff like that that I need to charge. I'm not sure about you guys if you're charging a bunch of stuff when you're on vacation. Most of you typically will just have a laptop and cell phones. So you might not have 3 cameras, a gimbal, and everything else, laptops, cell phones that you're trying to charge, but this is the King View, or King Room strip view in the Royal Tower, I believe is what this one is. So this one's a little bit different. Typically the safes are gonna be in the closet on your rooms. These ones are a little bit different. The safe is actually in the bottom drawer, which is kind of cool. There's the safe, which is kind of neat because it's all hidden away. Most people would expect it to be in the closet, which it is not in these rooms, which is kind of neat. Flat screen Samsung TV, wall mounted even, which is kind of nice. Name brand, nice TV. I wish they had like a desk. This is like a little podium thing here with chairs, but this thing is like way unlevel. Like, it's unlevel on this side, like there's about a little space or a gap there, but on the other side it's plush and smooth, so I have no idea what that's all about. But still haven't figured out how to get the lamp on over the desk and working station. There's like no light switch or anything to hit for that, so I don't know, maybe the light bulb's burnt out, but I guess that's nor here nor there. It's a free room for myself. My mom also got a comped room for my MGM rewards, so no complaining there. If MGM wants to put me up for free when I come out here for filming and stuff, I'll do that. So Mom, stand up for a second. You gotta show them the merch. So Mom is wearing one of our fabulous Las Vegas tank tops. You look beautiful, by the way. Thank you for being the model for the channel today. And then we'll probably save the best for last. I know this kills everyone. We'll open it up so you guys can see the outside view. Nobody gives a shit about the room review. I know. I dragged this out just to keep you guys here, to get my watch time up. I'm just playing with you, but anyway, here's the outside view. Right down below, this is Tropicana here. This is I-15 over here. So if you see all the traffic going really fast right there, that's I-15. You got kind of a good view of that. It's pretty sweet, actually. You're overlooking the T-Mobile Arena right there, where the Golden Knights play. New York, New York is right across the street. Parking garage for New York, New York. And then the best view of all time, you have my favorite resort and casino, the MGM Hotel, the MGM Grand. Right down there is Las Vegas Boulevard, and that's Tropicana Avenue. So you can see the jersey is still on the Statue of Liberty down there. I did a time lapse last night of the boulevard there, so maybe some new in and out scenes with the videos here coming from Las Vegas, but it's absolutely awesome. This New York, New York sign right down here that lights up all at night. So like I said in the time lapse, I have a day time lapse that I already did, but I'll do a night one as well so you guys can see what this boulevard looks like at night, because all these signs right down here are all LED and they all light up, and it's really sweet. So you'll have to see, there's more to come. This was an updated room review here at the Excalibur in Las Vegas. It is August in 2018, but I hope you all enjoyed the video. I appreciate all the support, and you guys have a beautiful day.